What's up guys, my name's Dan Rempel and this is my friend Mitch. Hello! Today we're going to show you how to find color in your winter city. Living in a winter city can be really drab and gray and boring most of the time, especially as a budding photographer or a beginner photographer. It's really hard when you start this hobby to find nice things to shoot. So you think back to hiking in the summertime where things are green, flowers are all kinds of different colors. You want to get out and find cool colors. So we're gonna bomb around and hopefully find some nice colorful things to take photos of in the wintertime. Yeah, come along for the ride. So there are 7 ways you can find color in a winter city where everything's all white and gray every single day. One of the ways is to search your city for really cool graffiti, like this. Try to find rich urban colors in your neighborhood like this. Every city, downtown area has really good graffiti areas. Some of it's really professionally done and cool. Some of it might be really rough and a lot of people like that aesthetic. Buildings are another really good source of color, so you might find your average gray buildings, right? But then there's going to be bright blue buildings or a nice gray with a really cool green detail. Actually, I know of a building like that. Let's go see it. Most urban areas will have really modern looking buildings with lots of touches of color on it. This is one that we drove by on the way to that graffiti spot that had really big green squares, so I thought that was really cool. And it really pops against especially the blue sky. I'm gonna take a few photos of this and it's gonna look really cool. It's so cold out. We just got out of a cold snap and it's still really cold. I think tomorrow's gonna be -4, so I'm really looking forward to the better weather. Okay, we're gonna head back down and we're gonna do a time lapse into nighttime and then we're gonna go find some lights. See you there. One of my favorite ways to find color in a winter city is to wait until nighttime and grab a wide aperture lens and go light hunting. Especially near the holidays, there should be a lot of Christmas lights everywhere. Our city, Edmonton, Alberta, is pretty decorated. We're down at the legislature building right now and there's lots and lots of Christmas lights and trees and stuff, so. But you're not restricted to holiday-themed lighting. Most downtown cores have tons of neon lighting and RGB strips down buildings and spotlights with different colors to make the buildings sort of pop out against each other, kind of like these. And these. You guys gotta see this, hold on. This is really cool. I know! I just saw those too. Dudes, check this out. One other way that you can find color in a winter city is to just bring a model with you and have them wear colorful clothes. Like this. Another way that you can find light is to simply bring it with you, like some glow sticks or an LED light. And finally, if all else fails, just head inside. There's lots of lights, and lots of colors too. Let's go. So that's basically it for finding color in your winter city. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, please leave a like. If you want to get notified about all the videos that I post every Monday, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks guys, I'll see you next week. Peace. I'm all weird about it right now. Or like these. That's my fake. I whip transition into, hold on. The whip transition makes you laugh.
Oh, it's because it's got sound effects. I was promising.